why some Jamaicans suffering from diabetes. Over 80%. Don't quote me on that because numbers can't lie. Here, do your research. Majority of them secretly sick. If that are you, the video you for you. Also, all if you can't overseas, no matter where you for your skin color look like mine, diabetes I become my best friend. I'll tell you why. You know, say they have a rice culture where they kill us, where the Chinese send this from early, for a long time. They might bleach the rice because the correct rice is the wild rice, and they use the vitamin from the rice and minerals to put in a pharmaceutical pills and sell on the back. Water them down. Anyway, so the rice yamming in Jamaica is a culture. Rice and peas every Sunday. Some people do it Sunday and on Wednesday. I also have die with the biscuit, which uno call diabetes. So the sugar consumption in Jamaica not normal. Yo, when you go to a supermarket and buy your sugar, calculate the 10 and 5 pound of sugar we buy and add in a 365 days, which is 1 year, and make you see ton load of sugar we are putting in your body. Now, the end product of everything we convert from starch, the end product of sugar. Same like how the rum drinking in a Jamaica turn up right now, and rum come from sugar. These are large polysaccharides. The body can only get rid of some of it, but enough people don't know say the trash rice where they have a going right now. Trash rice where they have a going right now. Even in a 28 months time, 28 months, 2 12s, 24, that are 2 years and so months, right? The rice still lodge in your body. So what your body do, because there are large polysaccharide, poly mean a lot, and polysaccharides meaning sugar, blocks of sugar. The body fling it most time in our feet. That's why most people, what you see with diabetes, what now? Naturally, the sugar make the body acidic, and the fake starch and acidic body can't have blood clot, meaning when you get one cut down a fat foot because it go cause diabetes is a cousin of poor blood circulation. So eventually through your muscle become dense, the cells them start become waterlogged. What that mean? The water the outside eye cells, but cells now have no access to it because you know also they consume the wrong salt. So majority of the Jamaican, especially one them will sit down and tough the rice daily. You name rice when you're a teacher as lunch, rice when you go out for a seminar, rice when you're there at school, rice when you go out to go buy one food. Everybody just a sell rice. Overseas, all I dish them, the culinary dish them, rice. So we stuck pan rice. And I know say we stuck pan death using our teeth digging our grave. It's not gonna stop. It go get worse. And remember me tell you now, if we not clear up on the folly ground and put the rice in our bag and put a big old fat bowl of stone in there and wheelie and dash away. Remember me tell you, the starch we're stuck in your muscle, go dash it somehow. Because that's why your cells them can't breathe. Because there's no oxygen. The hemoglobin level cut down. So them a start, enough people don't know say rice dry out your blood. So you're naturally anemic. So if your cells them don't have no oxygen, then go become stagnant and stuck. That's why your foot down there so black. I stagnancy. No movement of air. No red blood cell now move down there. No blood, no oxygen. Therefore, at that they happen to no, at that they happen to a melanated tribe. We come like and we didn't make most money off when it come on to die with the biscuit, which you call I'm out of here. Share this message and help many, you know, man. One can share bad news, so and when good news come on, don't know if you share the message, man. Yeah, man. Peace and light. One true virgin, Empress true virgin. ATV Foundation have produced a one for all. The holistic 8 system: circulatory, respiratory, digestive, nervous, endocrine, lymphatic, reproductive, and urinary system. Support the book on Amazon and on my website, The Clothesline and the One for All Remedy, Holistic 8.